Hi, this is Stacy with JDS Industries. Today I'm going to show you how to use our shrink wrap bags on our 30-ounce and 20-ounce polar camels. The items you will be needing is our heat tape, a heat glove with the scissors to remove the shrink wrap, our shrink wrap, the transfer, and a heat gun. Let's get started. First, we're going to remove the top and place our transfer sheet onto the polar camels. And with all our products, we have templates online of these, a template to fit all our products, so make sure to check those out if you haven't. And I'm going to just put tape all the way up both sides here to get it nice and tight. So it's on there nice and tight. All right, you're gonna grab your shrink wrap and then you're gonna pop open the top here. And going this way is a little more of a snug fit. So flip over your polar camel and do it this way. Push it down, flip it over, and now put the excess into the polar camel. And it's all ready to go. Get another bag here, and again, you just pop open the top. Stick it right around that mug, polar camel, and then put in the excess. Get your heat gun going. And just start slowly going around the polar camel. Get it all nice and flat, and then there we go, and that one is all ready. And the same you would do for this one. And that one would be ready also. All right, we're gonna go to the oven with this now. All right, we're gonna do these for 400 degrees for 5 minutes. All right, we are all done and ready. All right, so now you're gonna take your scissors. You can notice in here, it has a couple perfs. If you can kind of cut it close to that, it just helps get it off. And you can pull that perf area. And if you don't get it, no big deal, because I've had that happen many times. There we go, then get your transfer sheet off. And the color's looking good. On the 30-ounce, we carry these in white and also stainless steel. In the 20-ounce, they come in white and stainless steel also. For more information on these or any of our other products, contact us at 800-843-8853 or visit us on our web at jdsindustries.com. Thank you.